Hi, I'm Madeline from Machine Slings, and I'm going to show you how to do a back carry with a buckle carrier using the secure hip scoop method. So I'm going to start by taking my buckle carrier and putting it on my waist. You'll notice I'm putting it quite high up. That's firstly to give me a good weight support, and secondly so my baby has a good view over my shoulder. And I'm going to scoot it over slightly to one side, just the side I'm going to be bringing my baby round to. And then I'm going to check the straps and check that they are plugged in to the same side on each side. So making two hoops ready to put the baby onto my back. And then I'm all ready to get my baby. Just going to put them in. I'm going to pay attention to make sure I get them into the middle. So we've got no squiffy legs either side. They're roughly in the middle of the carrier. And I'm going to bring them back all the way up to the back of their neck and just make sure they're sitting comfortably before I start scooting them around. Then I'm going to take both straps and trap my baby right under their chin with the opposite arm from the way I'm going. And then this arm I'm going to bring between me and my baby and through this front hoop, only the front hoop. And then I'm going to come round, switch hands, so I'm holding both straps in this hand while I use this hand to move my waistband, and then I can simply slip my hand, other arm, into the strap. And now I can tighten my straps up by either pulling away or pulling forward, depending on which carrier I have and what it does. And I can do this up. I can also, if I need to adjust the waistband, I can support my baby's weight and tighten the waistband and just check that they're happy. And we're all done.